This tutorial, it's a presentation on how to use Garmin Virb Edit. So the basic functionalities to import your videos and photos onto your computer inside Garmin Virb Edit and do a bit of editing. First thing we're going to do, we're going to start Garmin Virb Edit. So that's a red V here, left click. We arrive here, there is straight away the gallery is empty because this is the first time we're using it. In the future, when you start to create a video project, you will see a lot of them here. You just have to have a look at them or create some new ones. First thing we're going to do is to connect the camera to the computer. So we've connected the camera to the computer, and after a little while we got a message saying that the computer has detected that there is a camera connected to the computer and with some videos and photos in it, and it's asking us, do we want to import it? So yes, we will import some videos and some photos, but you can click ignore if you want and import the video after. But we want to do this, so we're going to do a left click on import. So now the computer is reading the content of what's in the camera, and it's telling us there is six new clips, so 6 new videos and 9 photos. We can import everything straight away, but maybe we'll have some old video here, so we only want to import a few selection of them. So we're going to import selection, left click. So what we have here, in the selection we have different icons, and we've got the date here. So one with a little camera on the left, at the bottom left, it's basically a photo, and the one with nothing, it's a video. And we can do some filtering here. If we only want to see the videos or the photos, we can do this setting on the right top corner, and I can say photo only, so I only see the photos, or only clip only, or I can see them all. I'm going to import everything for this tutorial. I can then select if I want the videos or the photo one by one. But an easy way, because I know I want to import everything, I'm going to click on select all. So if I click once, it's going to unselect everything, and if I click again, it's going to select them all. So we know that there are going to be 15 videos and photos are going to be imported. It's going to require 1 gigabyte, and we have a lot of 1.8 terabytes available. So I'm going to do a left click on import. So it's very useful to have a nice name for all of them and a prefix, so it's very easy for us to find the footage or the clips and the photos in the future. So I always keep the verb prefix in there, and I'm going to put an underscore, and then you can put the name of the project with your date. For us, it's probably going to be called walking, and I'm going to put the date 19/10/2015, and I'm going to do the import. So if you have a lot of videos, a lot of recording, it can take a while, 5-10 minutes, depending on the size and the length of your videos. The import is now done, so the library has been updated. We have transferred 15 videos and pictures from the camera to the computer. We now have 2 options. One is to remove all the contents that we've imported from the camera and delete them, or we can just click OK and leave them on the camera. Most of the time we use the photos somewhere else, like in Garmin Basecamp, so I wouldn't remove them from the camera with Garmin Virb Edit. I will remove them manually using the camera the next morning when you're sure that everything that you've uploaded is saved at the right place. So I would click OK, and I would not delete them from the verb now. Click OK. So we arrive there, and we can see that we have all our recent import in the media library. We have photos and videos, and the next thing we have to do is to create a video. That's going to be our big video we are going to put together. So do a left click on create video, and same story, is going to ask us a name, so I'm going to call it walking, and the date 19/10/2015. Create a video. So as soon as we create the video, we are inside the video. So we've created a video in the library. This is what was imported. So if I'm going just to click, to a left click to the gallery here, to go back to the library, I can see that I've got walking 1910 2015. It's a gallery. So that's video here. It's a project we're going to work on, and there is no pictures, so it's empty. I can play it, or I can also edit the video. See, if I click left and edit the video, I'm going back to my editing area, so we can see it's empty. But I can do some other things. If I'm going back to the gallery again, left click. If I do a right click, I can delete this specific project here. So let's just do a left click on edit video, little pencil, left click, and now we are in the editing area. We got some tab on the left, video selection, then we have the video here and our timeline here. We're going to put the video. So I'm only interested at the moment in the clips themselves, not the photos. I can do some filtering. I can do a left click here and do photos only, or do a left click, clips only, or I can do another left click and see them all. What I'm going to do, I just want to see the video. So I can drag and drop the video that I want to edit in here. So from the library to here. So let's say I'm selecting the first one, and I'm just going to do a drag and drop onto the timeline. Now I can see this first video here, and I can drag and drop the second one. Because I will need the others, I can select the next one I want to see. So I can do a left click on this one, and I'm going to do press my control key down and keep it down, and do a left click on the next one that I want to drag and drop. And I can drag and drop the last 4 in there. Now I've got all the 6 videos that I took this afternoon, and I can see them here when I'm moving in there. I can see a bit better in zooming in the videos. Oh, a bit too far, zoom. And when I just drag my mouse on the top here, I can see that I was walking. Now that's the next one, and so on. So the first thing I want to do is to play the video. So what I can do, I can click play, do a left click on play, and the video will start playing. And I can also use a space bar. So, space bar to play, pause, play, pause. I can also move in my timeline here, and if I want to stop a specific point, I'm going to do a left click, and then I can play from this part here. Move a bit forward, and I can play again.